Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how to make a classic toy, Jacob's Ladder. Let's get into it. To make this toy, I just milled down some pine boards to 1/2 inch by 2.5 inches. Then I set up a stop block on my crosscut sled and cut them to 3.5 inches long. I made enough blocks to make 2 ladders. I used some clamps to hold my palm router in place and put a chamfer on one set of the blocks. Then I sprayed them with a couple coats of shellac. I got some hemming material to use for the ribbon, thinking it would be stronger than just regular craft ribbon, but really I don't think it would matter in the long run. To attach the ribbon to the blocks, I use Loctite's glue that is instantly cured with UV light. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. And here's where I ran into the problem. The glue actually ran over the edges of the chamfer and glued the ribbon to the edges of the chamfer so that the whole ladder would not work properly. So I tried to peel the ribbon back up off the chamfer so it would be just on the flat side, but in doing so, it was coming up off of the flat side also. So trying to fix this, I found some really small nails and tacked it in place, but the glue had already hardened the ribbon so that even though it was lifted off of the chamfer, it was still holding its form and still wouldn't work properly. So I ended up just taking it completely apart and starting fresh. For my second time around, I used some thinner ribbon, which I think worked a lot better. I also found some really cool copper nails that I had left over from when I built the mallet and when I built the mini trebuchet. While I was on a roll, I decided to go ahead and assemble the second set of blocks that I had cut. This time, I just added a very small roundover. Have you ever wondered where we came to name this toy Jacob's Ladder? Well, it actually comes from the Bible. In the book of Genesis, there was a man named Jacob who had a dream of a ladder that reached all the way to heaven, and he saw angels ascending and descending this ladder. And that's how we came to name this toy Jacob's Ladder. Can you see the angels? Does that look like a ladder to heaven? Can you see the angels? I vote for a name change for this toy. How about we call it Taylor's Ladder? I mean, I built it, right? Alright, our Jacob's Ladder, or Taylor's Ladder, is finished. I ended up with 2. I have the one with the chamfered edges and the one with the soft round over edges. And once I got the kinks ironed out on this one, it actually works just as well, and I kind of prefer it over the other one because the light catches those chamfers and kind of just gives it a little bit more dimension. You could also do other things with these, like paint them some really snazzy colors and really brighten them up, or use some brightly colored ribbon. And all in all, it really only took about an hour to an hour and a half from cutting the wood to assembly. So it's a really quick project that you can do in an evening or over the weekend. If you enjoyed this video, we have tons of projects just like it on our channel, so make sure to head over there, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we would love to hear what you thought of this project in the comments below, or if you have any cool ideas for some classic toys that we can try to tackle, let us know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, be safe, and have a great day.